Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect to MongoDB. First, you'll need to install the appropriate MongoDB driver for your chosen programming language, like Node, JS, or Python. Next, confirm that your MongoDB server is actively running, whether it's a local instance or a cloud service. Finally, identify your connection string, which typically includes the host address and port number, often 2717. This string is crucial for establishing a successful connection. To establish a connection, pass your complete connection string to your driver's connect method. This string might include your username and password if authentication is required. Remember to specify the database you wish to interact with. It's vital to implement error handling, such as try-catch blocks, to manage any connection failures. This ensures your application can gracefully recover or inform the user if the database is unreachable. For optimal performance, always use connection pooling. This reuses existing connections instead of creating new ones for every request, significantly reducing overhead. Remember to explicitly close connections when your application no longer needs them to free up resources. Thoroughly test your connection logic in development to catch any issues early. This proactive approach prevents unexpected downtime and ensures a robust application. Security is paramount. Never hard-code sensitive credentials, use environment variables or a secure configuration management system. Implement network security rules like firewalls to restrict access to your MongoDB instance to only authorized IP addresses. This significantly reduces your attack surface. Also, check the description for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other great deals. Remember, a secure connection is a reliable connection.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.